Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to get this beautiful pink look and gorgeous skin. Starting with fresh washed face, I have my serums for the day on, and I'm going in with my favorite brow glue. You guys know it's the NYX Brow Glue in Clear. Don't forget, girlies, laminate it down, saturate the brow hairs, and using a brush, just pushing the hairs down. Making sure to not forget to wipe off the excess glue with makeup remover, otherwise you will ruin your foundation. Setting my eye with concealer and carving out my brows. I find this part so satisfying. To get the perfect crease and no fallout, I'm using these pads that are linked on my Amazon storefront. This is my favorite pink palette. It is so beautiful. It is by the Queen, Amrezy, and ABH. Using Yawker and OG, I'm just adding these colors to the outer edge of my eye and blending them out. I'm adding Šemsa to the outer third of the eye now. This is a very beautiful berry mauve color. And to just diffuse it out a little more, I'm taking that big fluffy brush from the beginning with the browns on it, and I'm just using that to help blend out that burgundy color. Using the shade Anastasia on the lid. It doesn't pick up very well, but it's a very gorgeous shimmer. And I top off that burgundy shade with the color Rezy from the palette. It is a gorgeous, shimmery, bright pink. Topping that off with Barb from the palette, which is a pressed pigment, so you do not need glue for this. And creating a wing using the browns from the palette and a fine-tipped brush. Moving on to skin, I prep my skin with a daily moisturizer and my absolute favorite primer, the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It is the holy grail. I apply that generously to any dry areas or areas where my pores appear to be larger, like around the nose. I like to do cream contour first, layering the skin lightly and adding little bits at a time. It leaves the most flawless effect. Now I'm going in with Summer Glow Beauty Cosmetics Velvet Matte Foundation in shade 21. It is long-lasting, oil-free, blends effortlessly into the skin, and look at this color match. Like, are you kidding me? It's also waterproof and humidity resistant, as well as containing hyaluronic acid, which is beneficial for your skin. Continuing with cream products, I'm just stippling this cream blush into the skin. And as you can see, this foundation works so well with other cream products. Using the holy grail of setting powders, this is non-comedogenic and flashback proof. So your pictures, you have no worries. I'm using the translucent shade and I'm just setting everywhere that I put my concealer. I like to finish my brows at the end. I don't know. Going in with the ABH Brow Wiz pencil in chocolate. And there you have it, a simple pink makeup look with gorgeous skin. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know if there's something else you'd like to see or learn.